Hello from Paolo Perrotta, welcome to this Design Patterns Playbook. This is a patterns training with a difference. It focuses on just a few patterns that are quite advanced, so many developers tend to ignore them. And that's a pity, because they're really useful. These are the so-called structural patterns, the ones that help you decide how your classes and objects relate to each other. You should definitely know about them. So here is my bet. I will teach you the most important structural patterns in just about 1 hour. We can make it with the help of a lot of pictures. With the right diagram, even these intricate patterns suddenly look easy. And once you wrap your head around them once, they will stay in your programming quiver forever. So, in just 1 short hour, you will get to know some of the most important, most advanced patterns: Adapter, Decorator, Proxy, and Composite. You will understand when and how to use them with concrete examples. You will learn them visually, you will see code, and at the same time you will see the structure of the patterns. And we'll even find a few minutes to talk about design patterns in general and why they are so useful. I used both Java and C# in this training. They're similar languages, so if you know either language, then you're all set. You will be able to follow all the examples. So, if you want to learn about structural patterns and still be done in time for lunch, you've come to the right training. Let's dive in.